Fifth, investment marketing. Cebu City once again makes a pitch to investors as Mayor Mike Rama met in Metro Manila with two different groups of stakeholders last December 13 and 14. With his working force, he first met with Sabine Aboitiz, President and CEO of Aboitiz Equity Ventures in Taguig City, where he showed him his vision for a Singapore-like Cebu City. The mayor sought the help of the Aboitiz Group to complete the 10th floor of the Cebu City Medical Center, or CCMC, for the Poor Man's Hospital to provide a rich man's services. Rama invited Aboitiz to invest at South Road Properties and help develop an area near the Carbon Public Market into a park that can be named after their clan patriarch, Don Ramon Aboitiz. As the Aboitiz Foundation believes in the value of partnership and integration to achieve growth, Mr. Sabine Aboitiz showed interest to these proposals. He said he will venture to seek assistance from U.S. foundations to help CCMC become sustainable and second to none. While in Metro Manila, Mayor Rama attended a gathering of the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry in Quezon City, to whose members he called on to come to Cebu City for new investments. He conveyed his intentions to no less than the Chinese ambassador to the Philippines, His Excellency Juan Silian, Federation President Henry Lim Bon Leong, and the rest of the Filipino-Chinese business leaders. He underscored the value of friendship between the Philippines and China, as he shared that Cebu City is a sister city of the progressive Xiamen City in South China for 25 years now. The mayor took advantage of their meetings to invite them to visit Cebu City and witness the grand return of the Sinulog Festival in January. In another development, Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama was among the passengers in the inaugural flight of Philippine Airlines from Cebu to Baguio on Friday, December 16. The mayor was joined by Department of Tourism Undersecretary Elaine Batan, Captain Stanley Nang, HAL President and Chief Operating Officer, and other officials who took the maiden flight to the summer capital of the Philippines. Upon arrival at Luacan Airport, Mayor Rama was welcomed by Baguio Mayor Benjamin Magalong. In his speech, Rama said the event was historic as this is the first time PAL opened its direct flight from Cebu to Baguio. He also invited all guests present to witness and be part of the Sinulog celebration next month. With all these developments, Mayor Michael Rama's administration with Vice Mayor Raymond Garcia looks forward to seeing more investors and business partners to work with for a better Cebu metropolis. With them, we can truly make better things happen in Cebu City. In God we trust.